The 80-20 rule has many applications. Is dating one of them? Let's address that next. For many events in life and love, the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto Principle, explains the distribution of results. It states that roughly 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes, and vice versa. That's a big deal to us because it helps us understand that in many areas of life and love, there's a top 20% and a bottom 80%. Believe me, this applies to attraction, dating, and online dating, so it's a huge deal to you, alright? Though it is an observation and not a law, it really does apply quite handily to your love life. With the 80-20 rule, you can really see how it's important for you to not just be better than most, because top 50% isn't good enough. What you want and need to be is in the top 20%. So you need to kind of remove yourself from some of those old-fashioned thoughts like, I'll be better than most people and that'll be good enough. Or I'll just get sort of that passing sort of grade, that 60, that 70%, but that's not good enough in life and love. I want you to take some risks, but what game does is it helps you take more educated risks versus blind risks. Understand that you have a rare opportunity here to combat and overcome your competition that probably has some advantages over you, right? So this is nothing like your height or whatever you were assigned with your genetic DNA at birth. Instead, this is a choice here, so choose wisely, take advantage, because in the game of love and its many games of attraction, dating, and online dating, it's not set up for many people to understand that they can become masters or to remain masters. So you really have an opportunity here to step up and fill that gap and become someone who does have greater mastery, who does become a master in these areas. So this is your rare opportunity to seize an advantage. I hope you take it because I can't change shit about your height or whatever genetic DNA you're assigned, but we can make you better on the inside.